Yeah, I know. I'm just vibing out for a second. I'm just vibing out. Give me one sec. What's up, boys? What's good? What's happening? What's happening? Yo, I'll be honest. I was just not in the mood right now. So like, you know what I mean? You know, you just gotta hype yourself up with something. So I was just like, I just had to like blast some music real quick to just like get myself in that mind frame, bro. But you can't play this shit on YouTube. It's so annoying. What's up, Junior? What's up, PJ? What's up, Zuan? What's up, Jordan? Been waiting 30 minutes. Well, I said I was. Tonight was 8:30. KCar. Tonight was 8:30, bro. I had it on the YouTube. You know, the scheduled stream for 8:30. Someone had a good trade. Ah, because now we've got to listen to this elevator fucking music from YouTube, man. What's up, Omar? Now we've got to listen to the elevator music, bro. This is just a buzzkill, man. Buzzkill. All right, let's yo, 32 people in here already, man. That's crazy. You guys are crazy. Haven't even sent out that we're live yet. That's on the YouTube. On the TikTok, we got 46. And we got a special announcement right now. Well, it's a special announcement for me. What's up, Omar? What's up, Chef? Chef Dusty in the house. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. I'm especially happy right now, and I'll tell you guys why in a second. Did I hold? Did I hold what? What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Matt? What's up, siblings? Tell me why. I'm good, siblings. How are you? Waiting for me? You were trading pre-London? Yeah, I was trading pre-London. How do you guys know? How do you guys know, man? You guys in the Discord or what? You're our lifesaver? Alright, if you guys want to know, I'll show you. It's a big deal to me because this has been years in the making. And now, can any of you guys guess what it is? Probably not. Wait, I'll pull it up on email actually. I reached 60k. 60k what? So is Jordan gonna get any more trades today? Nah, Jordan, you're staying out, bro. Yo, Lucas, massive thank you for the sub on YouTube. Let's go. What's up, Ozzy? In the TikTok. Hello, Miss H. How are you? You know what? Let me Let me pull up the email. Pull up the email. You guys are probably not going to guess it. You almost had it there for a second, Tony, with the 60k. But this is a massive achievement for me. Massive achievement for me. Yeah. Just read the top line here. What's up, Tech Crypto? This, if you guys will know, some of you, especially Tony, some other guys from the YouTube, you would have known how long I've been grinding for this, bro. You would know how long I've been grinding for this. Like, I've been going for years for this shit, bro. Like 2-3 years now. Bro, that shit is a grind, man. You know, YouTube is hard. YouTube is so hard, man. Thank you guys, man. I appreciate that. I literally just sat down to start the stream, and I went onto YouTube to start the stream on YouTube, and it popped up. Congratulations, you've been accepted as partner. And I was just like, straight away, I was like, ding. So that's why I was like, that's why I had the music on at the start, and I was just like, I was just bopping because I was very happy. Thank you guys. Thank you for all the crap. Congratulations, man. Can you please explain what the indicator? What do you mean, Andronic? Sean Lee video, not understand? Huh? Sean Lee video, not understand. What do you mean, Tech? But yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm super happy with that, man. Are you talking about this signal right here? Andronic? Are you talking about this right here, bro? What's up, Deepak? Alright, let's do some. Are you talking about that? I mean, it had the direction correct, right? But it was a bit too early. What time was that? That was, I mean, yeah, these things happen, you know. It was at a key level, right? It was at a key support level. You probably would have waited for it to break this level before you take sales. You win some, you lose some, you know. And Andronic, are you in the academy? Do you think it's too down to well done, man, on the YouTube stuff? Oh, appreciate you, K-Car. Thanks, bro. Alright, we're just waiting for a few more people to get in here, and then... oh, they'll definitely be working for you, Jordan. Let me just post that we're live in the Discord, and then we'll do some analysis. Right now, siblings, you know, for me, it's still bearish. This daily candle, I mean, it could just be coming to tap. I did post in the Discord this morning that I wanted to see taps of this level today, first of all. From the daily candle. 340, 310. I wanted to see taps in here before it continued to drive bearish. It didn't. So that could be why we've pushed down bearish at this point, and now we're coming back up, right? Because it could be coming back up into these areas to tap in here. So if you think about the monthly as well, the monthly, yeah. At this rate, what we got we got about 3 more sessions left. Like one more New York session, then another London and another New York session tomorrow. But But at this point, I would say this monthly candle is going to close bullish, obviously, right? I doubt it's going to start driving down. Like, I mean, it could. It could. What, 580 pips? It's not that much, actually. 582 pips. But yeah, let's have a look. We'll have a look in a second. Let me just send this message out to the Discord. Oh, you're not? Where did you see those? Where did you see them from then, Andronic? Where did you see those? Have you seen them in the previous streams? Is that what you're talking about? Today on the indicator, there was a 15-minute right here that went for about 27 pips. On the 5-minute, there was a beautiful... that's an invalid sell. It didn't trigger the entry. The entry would be down here. The entry would be like here somewhere. So if that didn't get triggered, that's an invalid sell. But we had this one on the 5-minute, which just dropped down like over 100 pips. Tips, Cody, tips to understand what I'm saying, Sean. What are you saying? I don't understand what you're saying, Tech Crypto. What are you talking about, Sean Lee? But look at this 4-hour candle now, right? This 4-hour candle, like, look at the rejection from this area. 1, 2, 3, now 4 rejections from here, right? And the 4-hour candle is flipping bullish. We've got a key level in here. We've got a 2-hour closure in 12 minutes. So let's see if we can get a 2-hour closure above this level. Then I would say price is going to start heading up into the next level of it. What's up, Lab of Traders? What's happening on TikTok? How's everyone doing on TikTok? What's up, Leo? How are you, man? It has been a long time, brother. Where you been? Where you been, bro? Fresh cut. I had this cut for the last week or so. I've just been wearing a hat. But it's just, my hair's just fucked at the moment. I need to go back to the barbers, man. I need to find a good barber. Sean Lee YouTube video? Yeah, what about it, Tech? What about it, bro? I'm very happy with your indicator. I just need more understanding of it. Yeah. So, Andro, you just been watching it from the YouTube. Is that what you're saying? Is your trading style similar to Roger Banks? Also, using indicator, does it require a lot of screen time, and how many trades can we expect a day? Manish, it doesn't require. It requires. Basically, all you do for the indicator, you can set alerts, right? On the 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute, the hourly, the 2-hourly, whatever time frame you want, you can just set an alert. As you can see over here in the right, I've got all the alerts right here. So whenever a signal pops up on any of those time frames, you'll get a notification come through on your phone or an email, whatever you want, and then you can come back to the chart. So it doesn't require a lot of screen time, only when you get signals, right? So then you go on, you set your signal, and then you can walk away again because it gives you a stop loss, an entry, and take profit levels. So you get the signal, you set your trade, and then you can walk away again. But no, my trading style, I'm not sure how. I know who Roger Banks is. I'm not sure how he trades though, so I can't really answer that question. That now has got me a wake up early. Yeah, exactly, Jordy. You got to keep waking up early now, man. My son is saying hello to you. He's 8 years old and learning trading. Damn, son, 8 years old. Yeah, appreciate the diamonds on TikTok, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. Cody, best trader I ever seen. Congratulations on the YouTube partnership. Thank you, D. Thank you, D. Point Break, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Where you been? Not showing up? I've been live every day, Leo. Water. Is it possible to make AI with the indicator and just to know you have any backtest? High time. What's up, Seal? No worries, Manish. The YouTube is massive. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah, crazy, bro. Yeah, Jordan. Tony has to get up at 1 a.m., bro. And he can't just stay awake till that time because he has work. So he's got to get up at 1 a.m., trade, and then go back to sleep. And then get up at like what? What time do you get up for work, Tony? Oh, you mean EA? Yeah, Manish. I'm potentially looking at doing an EA as well. It takes a lot of work though. All right, let's do some analysis, right? Let's have a look at gold. Let's figure out what is happening right here. Let's turn that off and let's get rid of all. Don't really need to get rid of that much. What's this? Can we get rid of this? Yeah, we can get rid of that. So the weekly perspective, right? The weekly perspective. The current weekly candle has created a top wick and now it started driving down. Sorry. And it spiked out of the previous weekly low and made a new low, right? So now we've potentially got lower highs, lower lows. We spiked out though and bounced off this area a little bit on the lower time frames. If you have a look, the hourly candle closed out and then closed back in, so we saw quite a big reaction right here, and our price is pulling back again. So why is it pulling back? Why is it rejecting and pulling back? And it would have to be that price just hasn't tapped in this level yet, right? If you have a look in here, you can see price reacting with this level, finding resistance, and once it breaks above over here, it taps in and then it starts driving to the upside, right? On the 4 hour here though, if you have a look, this 4 hour candle, this is what I wanted to tap in this level today, right? That's what I was posting in the Discord, that I want to tap in this level, because if you look at this 4 hour candle, this 4 hour candle broke below, okay? But then it didn't come in here for taps, right? If you have a look previously as well over here, you can see the resistance that was formed at this level. The 4 hour closed above, and then the next 4 hour candle came and tapped in, okay? And then you saw that move to the upside. But we didn't get that with this 4 hour candle, with this closure below, right? It closed below and then it kind of just floated around a little bit and then drove down. So now that's why we're seeing price come all the way back up, potentially into these areas, right? Because it hasn't tapped in yet. It hasn't even tapped in this area either. If you have a look, it came close, but it didn't tap in. So first targets at the moment will be here for a tap in this level. If we start breaking above here, then the targets will be in this area to come and tap in. Quite significant rejection here though with these wicks. But all we can do is just wait and see if price taps into here, how it starts to react, right? If we get a massive reaction, price just wicks in, rejects and starts driving down. Then we go from there. But first of all, we're getting a 2 hour closure in about 5 minutes. Yeah, we'll see how this 2 hour, I mean, it's not really much of a gap, is there? What's this, about 22 pip gap? But there's that candle pattern again that I showed you guys about yesterday, right? You get the closure below, the closure back above, the closure below, and then the closure back above, and then you get the tap in. So you get the fake out and then the tap in, and then the next candle breaking the highs and potentially driving up into the next target. That same candle pattern over and over again. But let's see. Let's see. Right now we've got 4 minutes left, and this is what we're waiting for. Does Australia have good drink water from tap? Yeah, you can drink the water from the tap in Australia, but I still drink filtered water. Is this XAU? Yeah, this is gold. XAUUSD. Your name? Joining the academy using the K is a lifestyle, Cody. No matter what, I thank you will not be enough. Ah, let's go, Hassan. Hossam. I appreciate that, bro. Those are very, very kind words. Hossam said, if you guys missed it, joining the academy and using the indicator is a lifestyle, Cody. No matter what, I thank you will not be enough. One time frame is best or watch? Oh, multiple time frames, Tech. Multiple time frames, bro. What price do I want to tap into? This here. 2340, 310. 2340, 310. And then we'll see what happens. When you say rejection of the bottom, does it mean going up? It doesn't. No, not necessarily, Zug. Doesn't mean just because it's rejecting these areas that it. I mean, obviously it's come up at the moment, right? But it doesn't mean it's gonna continue up like from here all the way into these areas yet. That still needs to be validated, right? And first of all, we're approaching this key level in the market, right? If you just have a look left, look where price is interacting in here, right? Look at all this price action around this level. It's beautiful, right? This is a very clean level. So we'll have to see how price reacts here first, right? Indicator is awesome, bro. Appreciate that, PJ. Appreciate you, bro. Robert, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Let's go. Sorry if I've missed some of your messages on TikTok. Michael, it's on TradingView, bro. Why is that level? If you guys from the TikTok want the level, you come over to the YouTube channel, Forex with Cody. You'll see the full screen. You'll see all the levels, price, everything. Why can you only have 12-minute? What? I don't know. Why is the YouTube Forex with Cody? All right, there we go. So the 2 hourly closed above. It came up and filled all this range back into this level. So let's see. Let's see what we got. I want to see this 2 hour candle come down and tap into like this level. I mean, it's already tapping in here, right? It's closed above here. It's tapping in, but could drive. But I'd prefer a tap in here, right? If we have a look at this level here, look at all these rejection wicks, right? The last time price closed below here, look at this wick. This rejection wick came up, tapped in, and then it just drove all the way down, right? So if this 2-hour candle can come in here and tap and then flip bullish and start breaking these highs, right? We can anticipate a move. We can anticipate the move to the upside once it starts breaking highs, right? But first of all, I want to tap into here first. And if it starts coming down here and it just starts coming all the way below, and then you start getting closures below this level on the lower time frames, then obviously the bias changes, right? But as of right now, the way the 2-hour has closed above this key level, it's coming down straight away and creating a bottom wick, right? If we can get a tap in here, then if price starts breaking this previous high, then there's a good chance we can come up at least into here. But I want to see a tap in here first. Yeah, Tio, I can't show, guys on TikTok, I can't show numbers. I can't show values on TikTok because we've been banned previously. Well, last week or the last couple of weeks, we got banned on TikTok. And that is one of the reasons why we can't show numbers. We can't show targets, price, right? Because you get risk of getting banned on TikTok. So if you want to see the numbers, if you want to see the levels, whatever, come over to the YouTube channel and you'll be able to see them on there. Jose, appreciate the follow on TikTok. 15-minute one-to-one from the indicator. Oh, this buy right here, right? 56 pips. Oh yeah, there it is. The buy signal from the indicator. Beautiful. 56 pips. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. This something like that. Yeah, 1-to-1. 1-to-2 would be up here. Yeah, beautiful. So yeah, let's see if we get the taps. It's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. We need about 7-8 pips more to the downside. You're getting banned because people don't push the likes on this app. Yeah, make sure everyone like up the streams, man. Let's go. Udam, appreciate the follow on TikTok. I got in at 2. TV hit at 2340. Nice. Previous 4-hour high. What previous 4-hour high? What do you mean, Joseph? Oh, is that the previous 4-hour high? Yeah, it is. That's the previous 4-hour high right there, that level. So yeah, taps into that level. Look at that. See, that's just price action, just a clear level. If you look on the 2-hour time frame, clear level in the market. 15 no top wick. Yeah, this exactly. It's got a slight top wick, very slight, but yeah, pretty much. That's why I was anticipating that this 2-hour candle can come down into these areas, tap in first of all, before it starts driving back up and breaking the previous highs. If it doesn't tap in this level, then I'm not sold on the move to the upside. If it doesn't tap in here, then whatever it does after that, I'm not bothered. But I want it to tap in here first. And it can be like this overall area, I suppose, like, you know, like in here, something like that. Doesn't necessarily have to be that exact wick. It can be something like that. Just to capture some of those areas a little bit. That's where I want to tap before it continues bullish. If it doesn't do it, it doesn't do it. All right. And Anna, that's you'll find it in the link in my TikTok profile, bro. Yo, thank you for the sub. Mahlatsi. And thank you for the sub, whatever that name is. That looks like a load of emojis or something. But I appreciate the subs, guys. Thank you very much. Everyone's saying going down. Right now, it's clearly not going down. It's going up. But how long it's going to go up, who knows? Nancy, you'll find the Telegram in the link in my profile. I can't drop links in the TikTok chat. TikTok doesn't like it. Which strategy do I use? CPAC, Cody's Price Action Concepts. Until this level is tapped, I'm not sold. I'm not sold on anything. Whatever happens above this level, if this area doesn't get tapped, I don't care. Is that gold and what time frame? Yeah, this is gold. This is the 2-hour time frame currently. The 2-hour time frame. Are you going to pattern CPAC? Yeah, I probably should, shouldn't I? Which strategy? CPAC. 2 hours? Yeah, 2-hour time frame. News? Oh, what news we got today? Later on, right? Yeah, unemployment 10:30. Just sub to the YouTube. Let's go, Michael. Let's go, Michael. See, Michael did it correctly. He came over from the TikTok to YouTube. He left a sub, right? And then he went back to TikTok. That's you know, that's how you do it. If you prefer TikTok, then you can view on TikTok, but you can sub to the YouTube just in case, right? Just in case we get banned again. Because if we get banned, you guys are not going to know when we're streaming, because we're still going to be going live on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We need taps. We need taps. We need taps. We need taps. What's the 15 doing? 15 closes in 4 minutes. This is actually a key level in the market. Very key level. So the 4 hours closed above. Nameen, appreciate the sub, bro. Thank you very much. Here from TikTok. Let's go. We're slowly converting the TikTokers into the YouTubers, man. It's a hard task, but you know, we're getting there. You guys love your TikTok, man. And I get it. I get it. I can't find that strategy in YouTube. That's because that's my strategy, Ali. Saxon and Abs, appreciate the follows. Didn't it form an inverted head and shoulders? I have no idea. I have no idea, bro. I don't trade head and shoulders. But if it has, then let's see. Thank you for subscribing. STRMZ, let's go. What's the price difference on your site? For the 79? The 79 price? Are you sure? Channel? 79. Shampoo trading strategy. Let me see. There shouldn't be random. This, yeah, the 49 is, bro. 49 is, yeah, the indicator. All right, here we go. Can we get a tap? Refresh your page, channel of random. Refresh your page, bro, because it shouldn't be showing that. It should only be showing the 49. The CPAC strategy. What's up, Charlie's Rush? Thank you for the sub. I'm watching both at the same time. Damn. Yo, Jim, appreciate the follow on TikTok. That's dedication. Watching the YouTube and the TikTok at the same time. This 2022 ICT buy model, I have no idea what that is, Jay, but no, it's not. So I have seen that. Jay, tell me what is with the ICT like 2022 model, and like how many models does he have? Does he have a different model for each year or what? This is gold, yeah, this is gold. Klinkov, what's happening, bro? Lauren, appreciate the sub on YouTube. What's up, Mario? So think of just currently looking at this closure above on gold. This 2-hour candle here is closed above a key level down here, tapped in, drove to the upside, closed above another key level in the market. So now we're anticipating this 2-hour candle can come down, tap into this area, create a bottom wick before flipping bullish and driving up to the upside. Let's see. Cody's favorite question is, what's this? That's the 2020. What is the 2022 model? I think that's the tap. Nah, it's not quite tapped in yet. Two-hour time frame, yes, the 2-hour. ICT theory is that strategies only work for 1 or 2 years because of market conditions. Liquidity sweep, break of structure, FVG, retracement into FVG entry. Liquidity sweep break. Liquidity sweep break structure with FVG. Then retracing. Oh, okay. If it taps, am I placing my trade? Not if it taps in here. If it taps in here, then you want this candle to flip bullish and break the highs, right? And that's where you potentially enter the market, because at that point it would have created a lower low right over in here, and once it breaks this high and creates a higher high, you would anticipate that the low it has created down here would be the new higher low in that trend, and it shouldn't really at that point come back down, right? But it has to tap in here first. Just not tapping in. I'd enter at the bottom of the FVG, which is the 22. Okay. Like I said, until it taps into this level, then whatever it does, I'm not interested, right? It has to tap into it first. What's up, Safel? Daily open? Where's the daily open? Oh yeah, that is the daily open. Move that up a little bit. I still hasn't tapped in there though. Still hasn't tapped in. Yeah, it's gotta be something in there. It has to be somewhere in there. But on the 2 hour, that doesn't really make that much sense. I prefer it to come, yeah, somewhere in here. Yeah, somewhere it has to come down into here first of all. It just has to increase the girth of the lines. Oh, we do like a 4. Why am I watching the 2 hour? I just like the 2 hour time frame. It's just a time frame that it's a nice reliable time frame. It's more reliable than the 1 hour, but you don't have to wait as long as the 4 hour. And the 4 hour time frame is a massive time frame for me. Like it's one of the main time frames I use for analysis and direction and momentum. So it just seems natural that half of the 4 hour time frame is 2 hours. So it's good to look at the 2 hour time frame as well as the 4 hour time frame, you know. I mean, it's tapping into this overall area now, but can it give me a bit more of a push down? There we go. So we tapped into that area now. It has tapped in. Now let's see. Let's see what happens. Now you need price at any point during this next 2 hour candle. We've still got an hour and 38 minutes, right? We have an hour and 38 minutes. to start flipping back bullish, start breaking these highs and continuing bullish, right? Like I said, if it doesn't, if it just starts driving down from this point and like potentially closes below this area, then you can potentially look at, you know, you kind of forget this range because it's not a good range to trade. You potentially look then down in this area, like below this area and down into these next targets. No, I don't, Jay. I don't. I know what they are. I know what an FVG is. I don't really know. I've looked at order blocks before. I don't really know how to find order blocks or FVGs, but I have heard of them. But from what you're telling me, it seems very similar to this. But this is just key levels, right? This is just key levels off like the daily time frame. As you can see over here to the left, right? This is the daily time frame. You've got this level in here, right? You can see the resistance in here, the rejection from this level, right? That's just this level over here being applied over here, right? It's just simple things like that from the weekly, just key levels, opens, closes, things like that. Use ICT? No, I don't. Nice, Bandil. Let's go. We're doing well. How do you split the screen on live streams? What do you mean, FXJ? What do you mean, split the screens? Yeah, channel. It loads on yeah, it loads on TradingView. Maglex Ashback, appreciate the follows on TikTok. Yeah, this is gold, XAUUSD. You can open, yeah, I know, yeah, Sam, yeah. Do I trade GJ? Not really anymore. I used to. What platform is that? This is TradingView. Looks like a sell to me. Yeah, it very could well be a sell. There's literally nothing happening yet, right? In order to validate the buys, it has to come up and break highs. Until it does that, then there's no move to the upside, right? And then if it comes down, if it starts closing below these areas, right? If it closes below here, we can, in my opinion, then we can start to validate the move to the downside, right? But until that happens, this is all I'm looking at. Look at the 4-hour time frame. Look at these rejections in here. 4 hours now broken the previous 4-hour high, right? Breaking that structure. Currently bullish, approaching these key levels. So it's either going to reject this or it can close above and start driving back up into these areas. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. AC Sword, Be Fresh, Milo, appreciate the follows on TikTok. What is GJ doing actually? What is gbpjpy doing? Oh, look at that 2-hour sell signal right there. Today. 146 pip move to the downside. Beautiful. All right, what's happening on GJ right now? All right, so we've come up, spiked out the previous monthly highs, created a new high. People are creating fake accounts with my name. I know. Manu, Kilo, Andrew, Makro, appreciate the follows on TikTok. You loaded, yeah, TradingView, Laney. TradingView. Let's have a look. We got some key levels. Let's have a look at the weekly. What's the current weekly candle doing? It's broke previous weekly highs, spiked out the month, flip bearish. I would say price needs to potentially come back down into these areas in this overall resistance in the market for a tap. 3 day has come. 3 days actually broken structure in here, and it's come down and tapped in here by the looks of it. Daily broke structure, sold off. So look at that. Wednesday's candle broke structure, right? If you have a look at the previous low in here, broke that bullish structure that had been going on for, what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days, price is creating higher highs and higher lows. And then on Wednesday, this candle came down, broke that structure on the daily. And then today we've seen this sell-off, 150 pips. So that's a daily break of structure area. I'm just going to mark in that as well. Previous daily lows. I mean, the move has pretty much happened on GJ, hasn't it? That's the move right there. Broke below this level in the market, and now it's coming for taps. Retested, potentially going to start driving down, but there's this level in the market to the left. The price is rejecting off. 8, 4. Very nice. Very nice. There's not really much you can do there at that point. You got this level. 8-hour lows. I would say on GJ, if price starts closing above here, you might get that move back into these areas to retest. If not today, then potentially tomorrow we can see that move back into 200.069. But that would have to be with closures above here on like a 4-hour time frame, potentially 2-hour, 4-hour time frame before it continues to the downside. If it's going to continue bearish, then obviously you can see where price is at right now, right? If you want it to continue bearish, price is in this range, right? We've got the resistance, you've got the support. You want to see closures below here, tap back in, and then you want to see that drive to the downside. Musa, you'll find it on my website, bro. Link in the profile. Link in my profile, bro. But yeah, that's GJ. That was a beautiful sell. Let's have a look at EU. EU was a sell, but it was invalid because it didn't break the previous lows. Would have had to break that low there for this sell to be valid. So that was invalid. There was a buy on USD CAD that went up about 15 pips. Your AUD buy, invalid. AUD USD, valid. What was that? 41 pip move to the downside, bouncing off this key level provided by the indicator. Flip bullish. Another sell here. What's this? GBP USD. Another sell. 63 pips. Euro JPY. Another sell. 122 pips. What's this? Silver. Nothing on silver. NZD USD. Sell. Invalid because it didn't break the previous lows for entry. So that's an invalid sell. We got oil. XAU. AUD. I don't think these do signals for some reason. AUD NZD. That would have been not valid. What's this? Euro GBP. That would have been not valid. Although it did sell off to the downside. But it's an invalid entry. And you can see the indicator level right here. This red line. Price is bouncing off right now. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's working beautifully. I think silver does sleep. Yeah, it should do, Joseph. I don't know. That's why we did the update, but I didn't see any. Are AI trading bots ever legit? I don't know, bro. No, invalid means it did it. The entry didn't get triggered, Deepak. So it has to break the previous high. For example, this buy over here on gold on the 2-hour time frame, this buy signal is valid because this entry candle right here comes up and breaks that previous candle high. This candle high right here. Okay, that it needs to break the previous candle high for the entry to be valid. All right. So if it doesn't break that high, I think it's by 2 pips, right? It needs to break it by 2 pips. If it doesn't do that, then it's invalid. All right, but again, you can see this one was a valid entry. Price drove up 178 pips. Yeah, Mike. I did the original. I did the first couple of versions. Like there was version 2, version 3. I did those, but for this version, the version 4, I had to get in a friend of mine who knows how to code properly and on PineScript, and he did the rest. But I got the base of the code down, like my actual strategy. And then he just added all the extras, right? Like the trading windows, the key levels, the data table that you see over here in the top right, and all those little things. He added all the little extras, but basically I coded the strategy part of it. Yo, EFP, thank you for the... How many diamonds is that? The 10 diamonds, bro. Let's go. Leo, appreciate the... Oh, shit. Leo's been sending crazy diamonds. Let's go, bro. Lewis, How, Leo, Cass, thank you for all the diamonds, guys. Appreciate you, man. It took me a while, Emil. It took me a while, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It took me a while. It took me a while to really figure out how to like do all the little intricate parts of the code, because it seems very simple at first, but once you start getting down into the PineScript like minor details, that's when it gets very difficult. So it took me a while to figure out all the little intricacies and all the little the language that you have to use to get a certain scenario to play out. But once you get your head around it, you start to get the hang of it. Mike, if you click down below, like below this live stream in the details or in the description, whatever, you'll find my website, bro. You see it on there. But let's see, we've got an hour 23 left. We're tapping into this level. Let's have a look at the lower time frames. What's happening on the lower? So the 30-minute is closed below, and now the 30 minutes tapping in to potentially break the lows. All right, so you got the close out. You then got the close back below. The next 30-minute has tapped in. Right, so if this 30-minute candle starts breaking the lows here, right, you could see a drive. You can start to see the drive back down, potentially, because there's that candle pattern that I'll tell you guys about again, right? The close out, the close back in, the next candle taps, breaks the previous 30-minute lows, and then you get that drive back to the downside. Yeah, another example of an invalid signal, right? So this would be a non-entry because you get the sell signal, but this signal candle right here doesn't come down and break these previous 30-minute lows. Okay, so there would just be no trade there. It's invalid. For this signal to be valid, it would have to come down and break those previous 30-minute lows. And you can see it doesn't come anywhere near it. There's a valid signal, the 15 right here. See? You get the signal candle. The next 15 comes up, breaks the previous candle highs, drives up 56 pips. But yeah, let's see if this 15 and the 30 at the moment, right? Like I said, if this 30 starts breaking the previous 30 lows, then there's a good chance you're going to see a move to the downside here. We really want this 30-minute to close back above, right? If we're going to be looking at those entries back above the 2-hour, you want to see this 30 closing back above here, tapping in, and then start moving back up. The 5 has closed above. Let's see. All right, so there we go. Those 30 minutes, those 30-minute lows didn't get broken, so that's key, right? Let's say it goes up. What are the targets? Next level would be up in here for me. Trumpathon, click the link in my profile, bro. Click the link in my profile. What do you guys think? Is this 2-hour analysis gonna play out or not? Yes or no? Let's go, Saiful. Bob Meese. Appreciate the follows. Appreciate the diamonds, Nanji. Am I considering news? Yeah, that's not until, yeah, it's probably another, what 50 minutes away? There's two scenarios that can play out right now. This 2-hour just starts flipping back up, rejecting, coming back up into these areas, or the 30-minute has 18 minutes left, right, to create a top wick, start coming down and breaking these lows, because we've closed below this key level now, right? Close back below. We got the fake out, the close back in, the 30-minute tap, and a potential drive past these lows down, right? To 350. Tools, appreciate the diamonds. Let's go. What time frame? This is the 30-minute currently. 15-minute. 350. Good music playlist. This is just the YouTube copyright free music, man. David, try. Thank you for the follows on TikTok. Looking clean. Appreciate you, man. All right, we got a minute until this 15-minute closes. Let's see. Can it close above? Does it close below? Full time, Deepak, as well as obviously some other things, right? We got the education, the trading, a couple other things that I do. But trading is basically, yeah, full time. Got to be all in, man. You got to be in it to win it, you know. Much love from Uganda. Let's go. What's happening, people from Uganda? All right, 20 minutes. 20 minutes? Sorry, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Let's see. Trumpathon. The 15 and the 30 minute, bro. The 15 and the 30 minute. The 15 really is all you need. All right, 6 seconds. Let's go. Now what you want to see is you want to see this next 15-minute candle, right? The next 15-minute candle open, come down and tap in, and then start driving up. Come down and tap in. Yes, yes, yes. Come down, tap in. Yep, yep. Yep. Yes, very nice. Okay. There. Oh no, not yet, not yet. There we go. All right, it's tapped in. Can it flip bullish? Can it flip bullish? This is just based on the 2 hour I'm looking at. Is this 2 hour candle going to flip? Or is it just going to start driving? We've got an hour left of the 4. What's the 5 minute doing? 5 minutes. The 5 minute closed back above, rejecting. A bit of consolidation going on now here on the 5 minute, if you have a look. Lots of rejections coming in here. there's two things that can happen, right? You've got the close below, then the close back above, and then potentially the close back below, right, to continue bearish. But obviously, again, you're going to have to start breaking those lows. The 30 minutes still hasn't broke the previous 30-minute lows, right? If these 30-minute lows get broken, then there's a chance at that point price can start coming down, right? Back down into these areas, of course. But right now, we're just looking at these 30-minute lows potentially being, you know, like high highs, break of structure, 2-hour closure above, bullish momentum from those higher time frames, 4-hour break of structure, right? You got this 4-hour candle that is rejecting a key level, broken the previous 4-hour high, right? Spiking up, it's currently bullish. And then you just want to anticipate if this 2-hour candle closed above here, right? You come down to create a bottom wick, tapping in these areas. Once you reject and flip bullish, there's potential once you break the highs over here to continue driving up. Like I said, if it doesn't, it doesn't. And then this 30 can close. This 30 is closed back below a key level now, right? And you've got the tap. You got the close above, the close back below, the tap of that level. So once this 30-minute candle gets this 30-minute low right here gets broken, there's a possibility now you can just start driving to the downside, right? But only once this 30-minute candle gets, this 30-minute low gets broken. Yeah, it's on TradingView, Trumpafon. Without being honest to what you do, you can't succeed. So happy to go. Yeah, exactly. On my trading, this is gold, xauusd. To be honest with you, like me, if I'm analyzing the market right now, I would prefer sells, right? Because of the current momentum from the higher time frames, right? If you have a look at the previous weekly, the previous daily, right? Lots of bearish momentum from these time frames, the higher time frames. But I'm just looking at current price action on potentially why this current move is happening, right? Why we're seeing a lot of rejection in here, why we're seeing this hourly candle pop up above this key level. Could it be to retrace back into here maybe, right? Before we continue bearish. That's my thoughts currently. I'm just trying to see where the market is currently at. Why this 4-hour time frame is looking like this, right? Why it's got all these rejection wicks in here. Why it's currently bullish. Why it's broke the previous 4-hour highs and broke structure and pushing to the upside. Why is it doing that, right? It could be just to come and tap back into this area, right? Just this area that we've tapped into now. Based on the previous, this 4-hour candle over here, like we spoke about earlier. This 4-hour candle closed below this key level, right? Without tapping in. This candle didn't tap in. This candle didn't tap in. So now this candle has come all the way back to tap into this level to potentially then enable price to continue bearish from this level. But right now, current price action is with rejecting here. We broke previous 4-hour highs, which is, you know, with the momentum is to the upside at this point. So now we just need to see what this 4-hour candle is going to do, right? Is it going to come all the way back down and flip back bearish, potentially close below here in the next hour and 8 minutes? Maybe. But first of all, we need to validate that. All right, so those lows have been broken. And yeah, we do have news. We do have unemployment claims in about 40 minutes. So not wise trying to like trade through this, right? Until after news, potentially. You got the GDP, and then you got unemployment claims as well. So not wise to be trying to, you know, trade this at the moment. What's happening on the 5? Yo, Gilbert, appreciate the diamonds, my guy. The 10 diamonds. Let's go. Zeal, you comment that one more time, my brother. Like, you can't be advertising other people's stream in here, bro. I'll let your first comment go. Like, if you want to come and comment, like someone else is streaming, like, fair enough, right? But if you're gonna come in here, like, post multiple comments about like somebody else's stream, then I don't know that person, right? I don't know if that person is it like scamming, or, you know what I'm saying? So like, I don't want you to be posting messages in here about other people's communities or whatever. So I don't want you, like, you know, scamming people from my chat, basically. So just don't post that shit. Don't post that shit. Change broker chart. Now, I only like to look at Oanda, CEO. I like to stick to Oanda. Previous weekly low. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Hussam. It did spike out of previous weekly lows, right? It did spike out of previous weekly lows momentarily. This could just be a bit of a short-term pullback before we start to see it driving again. What do I think of SMC? To be genuinely honest, I have no idea. But I believe that any strategy can work, right? It's not necessarily about the strategy, it's about the person who's using it. Right? It's all about the mentality, the psychological aspect of trading. It's about what kind of personality you have, right? If you're gonna be a profitable trader. Right? Do you have patience? Do you have discipline? Are you able to be consistent? If you can't be consistent in anything in life, for example, if you started the gym and you really wanted to become a fit person and attend the gym regularly, and then you went for the first 2 weeks and then you stopped going and you never went back since, that's inconsistency, right? You need to build consistency in all areas of your life. Trading is no different. Discipline, consistency. So it doesn't matter what strategy you use, it's not about the strategy. Obviously there is other strategies that have a better win rate, or, you know, have a higher risk to reward, for example. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to the person using it. And like I said, if you don't have other parts of your life on track before you come into trading, and you're not able to build consistency in other areas of your life, then trading is going to be no different, right? You can't expect trading to all of a sudden. You can't just expect for you to come into trading, and if you've never been a disciplined, consistent person with anything else in life before, you can't just expect to come into trading and expect to just be a disciplined and consistent person. It's just not going to happen. You need to work on that. All right, we got New York open in 3 minutes. New York open. New York session open. New York session open in 2 minutes. I mean, look at the 8-hour time frame. Look at the current 8-hour candle. It's broke the previous 8-hour highs. It's broke the previous 8-hour lows. It's got rejection to the upside, rejection to the downside. It's currently sitting around where it opened, right? At this point, I mean, look at this. It's messy. It's Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi. RAF, bro, I have been banned like a couple weeks ago. But basically I just don't show any numbers. I don't show any numbers, I don't show any targets, I don't talk about any entries, I don't like, you have to be very careful with TikTok about what you talk about, what you show. I just don't show anything. Aquis, you get them from higher time frames, bro. If you want more consistent, stronger key levels, then go from the higher time frames. Yo, Riso, what's happening, bro? All right, let's see. Can this 30-minute now come and tap in here? What is the exact level of candle to tap before something? I mean, yeah, on YouTube it's fine, but I'm still live on TikTok at the same time. So if I say it to YouTube, I'm also saying it to the TikTok, right? What's been happening? Nothing much, bro. Nothing much. Take a rest then, Staple, bro. Take a rest. Go have a sleep. All right, that is New York session open. The hourly is also closed back below, so I would say at this point, price is driving down, as I said, from this 30-minute, right? Once this 30-minute candle breaks that low, there's a good chance we're going to come down into the next level. About 27 pip. So you see how quickly things can change, right? 1 minute we're talking about analysis on the 2-hour time frames for potential buys above this level once it breaks. Then all of a sudden you go down to the 30 and the 30's closed below. It's created that candle pattern we're talking about. We've got the close above, the close back below the fake out, the tap back into this level. And then once price breaks a 30-minute low, price can start driving to the downside, right? That's how quick the market moves. That's how quick you just got to flip the switch and reanalyze and go, okay, you know, this potentially not happening now because look what's happening on the lower time frames or a different time frame, right? We got a more clean, you got a cleaner setup over here, right? So that's how quick things can change, man. Did it tap in that level? Yeah, it tapped in perfectly. $27 pips. So it's always about just updating with current price action, right? Sour potatoes at 10 and TP at 15. It's always about updating. 1 minute I'm looking here because we've got a nice closure above. I'm waiting for a quick dip down into this level or rejection and then a flip bullish. But then what happens after that? The 30-minute closes below, right? The 30-minute closes back below this level and then also this level. And then the next 30 comes up, starts tapping in, rejecting. And then once you're breaking those lows there, start driving to the downside. And look, there's the break, right? There's the break. This 30-minute bump came up, broke. There's the tap. So we broke and we've tapped. CPAC. Classic CPAC right in here. Right? And then right in here as well. Classic Cody's price action concepts. Your Lord JC, thank you for the sub on YouTube, man. Let's go. Made a little. You can't help yourself, can you, Jordan? And now look, we've tapped in. We've tapped in. Now look, we get that reaction. Now we've tapped back in here. So this 30. Let's see. This has all happened in 5 minutes. Right? Literally 5 minutes of this 30-minute candle. We've broke the lows. Come down, tapped in here, rejected, flipped back bullish, came and tapped back in the highs. Now we flip back bearish again. It's not right now, Trumpafon. It's not right now. Now it's on. What's up, Sheriff? Thought Jordan was meant to be in bed. Yeah, he was supposed to be. He was meant to go back to sleep. No more trading for the day. What happened, Jordan? Do I trade US 30? Nah, I don't trade US 30. Snowflake, the sales would have been like right here, right? In my opinion. You could have caught that move down into that next level. That would have been the target. And then obviously once price gets into there, you'd see how price reacts. And then if price starts coming down below this area, right, then you can start looking at next targets down in here. As of right now, it's kind of like playing in this range. So David, you have to come over to YouTube, bro. Forex with Cody if you want to see the full chart. We can't show numbers, can't show targets, can't show anything like that on TikTok because you just get banned for it. I don't know if it's been trading for me. I've been asleep. Now, exactly. We got news in 22 minutes, right? So now the move to that move to the downside has happened, right? We got that beautiful move down in. We've tapped into this area. That would have been the target. Now we wait. Now we wait for news in 22 minutes, right? We got unemployment. We got GDP. We don't really want to be trading during these times, right? So let's stay out. Let's just analyze. Let's see what happens. And go from there. You need to rest? I need to rest? Why? Do I look tired? Rory Putra, Geordie Fully, Mongs, Moki, appreciate the follows on TikTok. Oh yeah, but beautiful day. Am I a scalper? Yeah, I scalp. I mainly scalp. But that's crazy, yo. We got YouTube partner. That's crazy. Like, I literally thought this day would never come. Yeah, we hit 4K subs as well. Let's go. Let's go. I literally thought this day would never come, man. Like, I've been waiting for this day for like 3 years at this point. It felt like it was never gonna happen. You're a YouTube partner. What a grind that was, man. 3 years of YouTube. 3 years of YouTube to finally get partner. What are you trading? This is XAUUSD. 13K on TikTok as well. Did we hit 13K on TikTok? Shit, man, we're going crazy right now. We got momentum. We got momentum. We got momentum right now. 13K on TikTok. 4K on YouTube. YouTube partner. Let's go. Is NFP tomorrow? No, NFP will be next week, Neon, because it's not the end of the it's not the first Friday of the month tomorrow. It will be next week. Broke 100 in the Discord. Yeah, we got 100 in the Discord. Congratulations, appreciate that, Mikas? Felix? Volume on YouTube is low, is it? Is the volume on YouTube low? No, it's not. I can see my mic. My mic is fine. You must be your speaker or something. Let's go, Mar. Appreciate you, bro. General King, appreciate the sub. Montgomery, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Why has it gone down so much? Because it's overall it's bearish, bro. Like from the weekly. Look at the weekly, right? Weekly, daily. 12, 8 is bearish. 4 was momentarily bullish. We broke out highs. It could just be a spike back into this level for taps while we continue bearish, right? So now we got 46 minutes for this 4-hour closure. If this 4-hour closure closes below this key level now, then we can anticipate that the new 4-hour candle can come and tap in and then start driving back down into these areas and beyond, right? And beyond. Also depends on how news plays out right now as well. It also highly highly depends on how news plays out right now. Yeah, that would have been a beautiful entry right there. And we got the taps back in as well. Thank you for the diamonds. Thank you very much, TikTok people. Thank you for the diamonds. The diamonds. Yeah, it could be, Ethan. Could be, bro. Which would also line up with the technicals, right? The bearish technicals. The bearish technicals. How long am I live for? Probably another 30 minutes. 20, 30 minutes maybe. Something like that. We'll see. What's up, Ahmad? What's happening, Ahmad? Yeah, look at that. You got the break, and then you got the tap in right here. And as soon as price taps in, look at that. The tap, you got the break, the tap, and then boom. Huge sell-off. CPAC. This is why we wait for taps of these key levels, right? Because look, price broke down, tried to break below. It did push down a little bit. But then as soon as it came back and tapped in that area, rejected and boom. Now we've rejected. We got 15 closure back above. We rejected this level. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, XAU USD. How do you get that purple line? I just drew it on there, bro. I just drew it on. That was from when I was talking about this candle pattern, right? The closure above, the closure back below. the tap in of the next 30, and then I said once if this 30-minute candle can break that previous 30-minute low, then there's a good possibility that price is going to come down back into these next levels. Textbook CPAC. Textbook CPAC. Nails? No, man. What pair is this? XAUUSD. Leo, appreciate the diamonds, bro. Again. What the fuck? Someone said, hi, I'm from Ghana and I'm looking for a cleaning job. Either office or home as a house girl. This guy trolling or what? What's the song playing right now? This is just YouTube audio library. It's called Mulholland by King Canyon. It's literally in your YouTube. Everyone will have this. It's in your YouTube audio library right here. In a YouTube studio. When am I doing copy trading? I don't know, bro. I don't know. I've been trying to set it up with Blackball, but they say, you know, yo, appreciate the sub mod. I've been messaging them and shit. I've been trying to say to them, like, how do I set this up? Because I've set up the accounts and everything, and I've done everything my end, but I don't understand how then people, like, I go onto their website and I try and find where people would sign up for the copy trading. It just doesn't make sense. So, like, I'm trying to message them and speak to them about it, but they're saying that it's set up properly, but it's not, because when I go to set it up, it's just not working. So Eric Cantona, what's up, man? Appreciate the sub, Eric Cantona. What about the news? Yeah, news is in 10 minutes, but what are they forecasting here? We got unemployment claims are set to rise slightly, right? They're forecasting that the unemployment claims are going to rise very slightly. By what, 3K? So I don't know if that will have a massive effect. That all just depends on whether, when the data comes out, if it's actually increased or decreased. If it's anything like this forecasted number, that's what we need to wait for. And the GDP they're forecasting is going to decrease by 0.4%. So what was the last unemployment claims? May 23rd. Oh, that was just a few weeks ago. Yeah, a couple of weeks ago, which was positive. There wasn't much of a reaction, if I remember, for unemployment claims. But if they're forecasting that it's going to increase slightly, then, and it's correct, then that's not good news for the US, right? If the numbers come out and have increased, then that's going to be negative for the US. Which means gold could potentially go up. What time I sleep? Like, usually I sleep around like 11, 12-ish. Everyone wants it. Subscribe. Appreciate you, Sheriff. 11 votes on bullish. Wait, where's this poll? Let's have a look at the poll. What do you think is going to happen after news? Bullish. Oh, we got a Man United supporter in here. That wick looks really bullish. Imagine the 2 hour plays out now. You got the 30-minute move to the downside that played out. Now imagine if the 2 hour plays out as well. Got 37 minutes left. What do you want to know, Trumpathon? Just DM me if you want, bro. Like, private message me. Man United, I know, bro. I can't believe they won. What's my take on news? I don't really like to have like a take or a prediction on news because you really don't know. You really don't know what's gonna happen until that data comes out, right? You just don't know. You can kind of make assumptions and guesses based on the forecast, but the forecast is not always correct. Most of the time the forecast is wrong. Pretty much all the time the forecast is wrong. So it's best to just, you know, try not to predict it. Just wait and see. Just wait and see what happens and then react after that. Yeah, like look for trades after news. Don't look for trades during news. $404, appreciate the follow on TikTok. Yeah, we hit a load of milestones today, didn't we? We got YouTube partner. We hit 4K on YouTube. We hit 13K on TikTok. This calls for another. What do you guys think? What am I about to say? What's the impact on the increase of jobs versus gold positive? I want to understand how it affects gold. If unemployment increases, that's not good for the US, right? Because that means more people are claiming unemployment, which is bad for the economy. So based on that, like technically, another giveaway, yeah, exactly. Based on that, technically, gold should continue bullish because the US dollar would weaken, which means gold would gain strength, just based on their forecast, right? I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but based on the numbers that they are showing, if they are set to decrease, right, unemployment, then that would mean negative for the dollar, positive for gold. We get Cody acrylics he can buy. Start a new 100k count step on made. We'll be trading next weekend. Let's go, Walter. Walter. I came here just to drop a like. Let's go, Ahmad. Yeah, exactly, Ethan. Exactly, bro. Yeah, exactly, Deepak. Unemployment means gold goods. Cool. Any negative news for the US dollar? Cozy? Any negative news for the US dollar would technically mean that gold should go up, right? And any positive news for the US dollar would technically mean that gold should come down or get weaker or decrease, whatever you want to call it. Cody passed my phase 1 on 70k 2 days ago. Let's go, Alex. Which prop firm are you with, bro? Jella, nah, I don't need a copyright, man. Thank you, though. Alright, we've got 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. FTMO, okay, yeah. You were smart. You went with like a well-known elevator music. I know, Adam. It's the only music I can play on YouTube where I don't get copyrighted, man. Yeah, FTMO, you did well, bro. You did well. You went for a company that's been around for a while. They have a good reputation. One of the founding companies in the Forex world for funded trading. So yeah, that was a good decision, man. Shoots the moon. Tried Equity Edge. What's that, KCar? Les, Nia, appreciate the follows. Dean, appreciate the follows. All right, we'll do another giveaway today, guys. We'll do one giveaway. We'll do one giveaway today because we hit YouTube partner, we hit 4K, we hit 13K on TikTok. It's been a good day. It's been a good day. So I would like to reward you guys with a giveaway. You did guess correctly, Felix. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Do you guys think there's going to be much of a reaction? Time frame. This is the 2 hour time frame. Do you want me to go down to like a lower time frame? Let's go down to the 5 minute. Let's see what the 5 minute does. Look how price is just cleanly playing with in all these levels. Beautiful. Graham, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Let's go. Let's go, Graham. Spike up. No bottom wick. Let's just refresh this real quick. Positive. About same-ish. What does that say? Positive USD news, but gold is spiking up. I mean, yeah, they did increase from the previous. The previous was 215. The current is 219. So it did increase. The unemployment claims did increase, which would mean negative for the USD, which would mean good for gold. But then you also had the GDP, which was positive news. So it's a bit mixed. Data is positive, should go up. No, if the data is positive, then it should go down, technically. Because a strong USD would mean a weak gold, right? If it's a weak USD, then that would mean a strong gold. Tio, make it make sense, bro. Make it make sense. What will happen now? News is out. Well, I mean, it's only been 3 minutes yet, right? Or 2 minutes technically. So, like, still, I mean, there is obviously a bit of a reaction in this candle, but nothing too decisive yet, right? Nothing too decisive, in my opinion. Well, if price starts like driving up here on this 5 minute, then that is decisive. That could mean, you know, then we're coming up into these levels. But at the moment, like, it's still at this resistance, right? It can reject in this level still within the next minute and 40 seconds. So we just need to wait. It's 32. It's, yeah, people always think I'm nervous or something when I bite my nails. It's just a bad habit, bro. I've been doing it since I was like 12, 13, 14. Let me know how you know. Alright, we've got a minute left. How old am I? I'm 31. Think about all the micro worms. Bro, trust me. Nothing puts me off biting my nails. That could be why I never get sick, Tio. That's what I put it down to. I have a very strong immune system because I've bit my nails since I was 13 years old. So I have a good immune system. I rarely get sick. You know, it's keeping my immune system on edge, bro. You know what I mean? It's keeping it in the game. If I was to start biting my nails now, like, you know, I'll just be sick all the time. All right, so the 5 has now closed above, right? The 5 has closed above this level. The 5 has closed above. So that could mean it can continue. Already broke those highs. If we're looking at the 2 hour again now, look what's happened on the 2 hour time frame. After an hour and what? Hour and 35 minutes, we finally got the flip back to the upside from the start of the stream and the move to the upside. I detect a slight Midlands accent. Yeah, I'm from Birmingham originally. Birmingham, Graham. Since I started watching your lives, I have been better controlling my emotions, being patient, etc. Let's go, LSM. Let's go, bro. Where in Brum? When I left, I was around like Erdington area. A Brummy, oh god, I might stop watching you now. So there we have again. This analysis came right at the start of the stream, pretty much, right? And an hour and 30, 40 minutes later, that analysis is played out. It came all the way down here for taps, first of all. Now it's flipped back bullish, broke the highs. And then the targets next would be up in here, 2347,540. All right, Riso, appreciate you, bro. You from Preston? You grew up in Shirley? Damn. Yeah, I've been over here like 16 years now, Graham, in Australia. So I'm glad you guys can still like hear the accent. What happened with news? Yeah, it went up. It came down first and then it went up. No, it didn't. It went straight up actually, didn't it? What am I talking about? I'm talking about the 2 hour time frame. Why not sell? What do you mean, why not sell? Why don't you trade with zones? I do trade with zones. Skibbity dot dot dot. Oh, you're talking about like Felix, you're talking about like an overall zone like this. Is that what you're talking about? Please answer. What did you ask? What did you ask, Salvador? So that was 2 little pieces of the puzzle for you guys today, right? The 30-minute move down, which went for about 46 pips, 27 into that level, and 46 pips in total. And then the 2 hour perspective moved to the upside, which about 40, 41, 42 pips currently. Two little pieces of the puzzle from gold today. 2 little pieces of the puzzle. Without saying too much. I said it without saying too much. Can the 2 hour come into this area? What's up, Ian? How? How what? Puzzle? Pieces to the goal puzzle. This is a puzzle, right? We have to solve the puzzle. What is happening? Putting the little pieces into place, right? TP up in this area. 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 40. But at this point, if I was in this trade, you'd be at break even at this point. You'd be moving stops to break even. I never saw it coming. That was just based on like 4-hour perspective, right? The fact that the 4-hour was finding it had this support level in here, all the rejection 1, 2, 3, 4, right? The 4-hour candle broke out of that previous 4-hour high, right? Breaking the structure. And the fact that this level and this level haven't been tapped, right? If you can see here, this 4-hour candle ripping down past this area. None of these candles here tap back into this area. So there's a good chance that, first of all, again, same thing happened over here, right? There's a good chance we're going to come back into here, which we did, right? Because again, this 4-hour candle broke this level, and then these candles didn't tap in, right? So now we've come back for a tap in here, and there's a good chance that we can potentially come for a tap back in here. We got 4-hour closures in 15 minutes. Let's see, you know, you can anticipate some kind of pullback from the 4-hour perspective now to leave a bit of a top wick. Still got 15 minutes left that we can drive up into here, but you'd expect a 4-hour rejection in here, right? At some point. To create a 4-hour top wick rejection. If it's going to continue bullish for the next 4-hour, right? Watch the special announcement. The special announcement was that I finally got YouTube partner after about 3 years. So we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to do a giveaway. How are we going to do this giveaway, guys? How are we going to do the giveaway? For a 1-month free subscription to the indicator. How are we going to do it? Who was the top diamond? Who was the top gifter today? Who gifted the most diamonds today? How do I see that? No, but then that doesn't involve the YouTube. So I need, how can we involve the YouTube as well? How can we involve the YouTube? Wait, didn't I already try this website before? This website's awful. Alright, we're going to do a giveaway for a 3-month access to the indicator. How does this work? Leica? We do Leica? Would that work? Free YouTube comment picker. How do I paste the link of your media? I don't think they can do it on live streams. Give one each. Can't do it. What about if I go over here? What about if I go over to Streamlabs? Can I do it on Streamlabs? Giveaway. Let's have a look. Cloudbot. Can we do giveaways? Giveaways right here. I have no idea how to use this shit. YouTube is active. Why is there a timer on it? No. All right. All right, go over to the YouTube channel. Go over to the YouTube channel and type in exclamation mark giveaway, right? Exclamation mark giveaway. You got about 5 minutes. You got about 5 minutes, right? Exclamation mark giveaway. Don't do it with capitals, Kai. I know you still got it. No worries. Never mind. All right, everyone go over to YouTube and type in giveaway right now to enter the giveaway for the 1 month free 1 month free subscription to the indicator. All right, here's all the entries, right? We got 24 tickets so far. 27. Forex with Cody on YouTube. No, people in TikTok, you got to go over to the YouTube channel and do it. You got to go over to YouTube and do it. You still got about, wait, why is there still 5 minutes left? All right, we got 30 tickets, 30 people. Look at that. It even does the advertisement for it as well. A 1-month sub to V4 raffle is going on for viewer use. Exclamation mark giveaway to enter. Are you guys entering multiple? Guys, you have to put exclamation giveaway. Don't put a space in between it. No space in between, all right? No space in between. Harry, no space in between, bro. You're putting a space in between it. No space in between the exclamation and the giveaway. Make sure you guys hit the like as well. If you hit the like, your chance increases. Your chances of winning increases. Trust me, that's not a lie. I put that as one of the the settings. You have to sub to the channel and like, and that's going to increase your chances of winning. Trust me. You guys are just spamming this. We got 53 tickets. 53. We got 53 people have entered in. There's no way there's still... Why is this take... Why is this not... Alright, I'm going to close it. Why is it not... Wait, is that 4 hours and 55 minutes? Shit. I meant to put 5 minutes, but I think I put 5 hours, so... Yeah, guys, if you sub to the channel and like the stream, it increases your chances of winning, alright? Can you show me which time frame? Yo, guys from TikTok, if you want the chance to win a month 3 pass to the indicator, come over to the YouTube and put in exclamation giveaway. Exclamation giveaway. What's up, Talk? What's up, Umet? What's up, bro? Sabi, the key levels are from just like weekly, daily, like 12-hour, 8-hour. Good, bro. How have you been? Yeah, the entry on gold was, yeah, would have been this beautiful entry right here that we talked about earlier. 43 pips. All right, people are still, it's still giving people tickets. So there's people who haven't got tickets yet. I'm gonna end it in about 2 minutes. And if you sub to the channel and like the stream, your chances of winning increase. Can you please look if you're on the list? Umet, what would your name be, Umet? I'm sure you would be, bro. If you put exclamation giveaway, then you would be on it. Yeah, you are. There you are, Umet. Right here. All right, we got 64 people. Bum, 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 bum. Talk? Yeah, you're on it, Talk. You're right here. I can see you right now. Right here. Tap tap. What's happening, Amin? Yeah, you're on the list. If you put exclamation giveaway, then you are on the list. And if you subscribe and like the stream, your chances of winning will increase. It's in the settings. I did it in the settings, all right? It says in the settings, subscribers get a higher chance of winning, and I turned that on to yes. Subscribers get a higher chance of winning, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, let's go. Should we do it? Shall we do it? We got 70 people. 70 people in here. All right, 70 tickets. We're gonna do it like this so that the TikTok can see it as well. Oh no, I need to do it over here like this. All right. I'm gonna close entries right now. All right. The entries are closed. The entries are closed. All right. Here we go. You ready, guys? I'm going to click this button right here. Click a winner. And it's going to pick one person from these 70 people. I'm nervous. I always get nervous when I do this shit. All right. Let's go. Let's get a countdown going. Let's get a countdown going in the chat. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. Pick a winner. Hey, Bushels. Bushels Motorcycle Transportation has won from the YouTube chat. Danchi, appreciate the sub on YouTube. Oh, his comments are coming up. Look at that. Let's go. Bushel, DM me on Instagram, bro. DM me on Instagram. Guys, we do these. We're gonna do these often, right? Like once a month, maybe. When we hit these targets, right? Like today, we hit a target. We hit the target. We got YouTube partner. We hit 4K on YouTube, and we also hit 13K on TikTok. So it was a good day. Next one will be 15K, right? When we hit 15K on TikTok, we'll do another one. When we hit 5K on YouTube, we'll do another one, right? We'll keep going. So, all right, that's it. Bushels, DM me on Instagram, bro, and I'll sort that out for you, all right? That was fun. But yeah, today from the stream, right, we potentially talked about these sells on gold, these 30-minute sells down into this level, played out beautifully, about 26, 27 pips. And then the 2-hour buys above this level. This 2-hour candle came all the way down, created a crazy bottom wick, tapped back into all three of these areas, this one, and this one, and then continued flip bullish, breaking the highs, and drove up about 43 pips. The name is Wayne on Instagram. All right, just send me a message, bro, and then I'll send you everything you need. Yes, some good analysis, some beautiful analysis. Obviously, you guys, as you guys know, I can't exactly say to you, like enter right now. Like I'm not gonna say that, obviously, because of the TikTok, and it's not the kind of stream that I want to do. But the analysis was there, right? The analysis was there again. Beautiful. CPAC, Cody's price action concepts. Yeah, nice 46 pip move down, and a nice 43 pip move up. So yeah, beautiful. Played out beautifully. Played out beautifully. And then we did a giveaway. So yeah, it was a good stream, man. Very good stream today. 500 followers on TikTok. Now let's have a look. The 4 hours closed above. So again, same thing, guys. What you want with this 4 hour candle now potentially is you want to see a tap. You want to see it come back down to here first, right? You definitely want. You guys know that we waited for this 2 hour candle. We waited 1 hour and 40 minutes for this 2 hour candle to create a bottom wick, and then flip bullish in the last 20 minutes and push 40 pips in profit, right? So again, whatever this 4 hour candle does, first of all, you want to see it come down here, tap in before it continues up, right? And the next level would be up in here, right? I'm not going to name it. You guys on YouTube know it, but I'm not going to say it out loud because of TikTok. But next targets will be here, but you need the tap first. You need the tap in here first, right? And then you need the break of the highs potentially, or you could then go down the lower time frames. But yeah, a bit messy. If you have a look at the hourly time frame, like this price action is not very ideal right now. It's a bit messy in here, especially these last 4 candles. You got the close out, the close back in, the close back out. So yeah, you definitely want to see this candle tap, which I think it currently is. Not quite. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change this back to a 2, and then I'm going to change this one now to a 4. We want taps in there now. And as you can see, if you just look left, right, look at the level to the left. Look at the levels in here. Look at the reaction in this level, right? Price closed below, came back in, tapped once, twice, and then drive to the downside, okay? And then what happened next? This 4 hour candle closed above. Similar to what's happening over here, guys. If you have a look, very similar move could be happening. You got the break below and the rejection in here, potentially in here. And then you've got the rejection of this level, which we had right here, which we now have right here, okay? And the rejections, okay? And then now you have that big 4 hour candle coming up and closing above, which we have now had here. So then what happened over here? The next 4 hour candle came and tapped in, and then eventually started driving up, right? So this 4 hour candle needs to come and tap in, and then you can eventually then get that drive up. Same thing that happened over here, right? Could be happening exactly the same over here. So if you're interested in that, go to the 4 hour time frame, analyze what happened last time, and try and recreate it again this time, all right? But basically the 4 hour has not tapped in yet. It needs to tap into this level, like actually tap in precisely. Oh, Moses, you're a bit too late, my brother. Moses, you're a bit too late, bro. The giveaway was just before, man. I apologize. Maybe it was a bit of a delay in the stream, but Danko. Hey Cody, I'm totally in your strategy. Let's go, Danko. But yeah, that would be the next move on gold. That would be the next move. 4 hours closed above now. You need a tap in here to continue up, right? And then again, if things change, if you start getting closures back below this level, then guess what? You can anticipate then the move back to the downside. But as of right now, 4 hours closed above. It's bullish. It's broken previous 4 hour highs. And I see targets coming up in here for the next move. But first of all, I would need that tap. All right. Well, my trades aren't on the H4 Pepe. They're just, I do a lot of analysis on the H4. I like to use the 4 hour candles as direction, as momentum, for where I see price going. And then I'll go down onto the lower time frames, and then that's where you can start looking for entries, right? But most of the analysis is done on the 4 hour and the daily, weekly as well. Look at this daily candle now. Look at this daily candle. Strong rejection now. Price is pushing bullish. You know, tap back into this level. Yeah, I mean, at this point, all you gotta wait for now is taps. The longer price comes up and starts driving without coming back and tapping into here, it's likely that this 4-hour candle will eventually flip bearish and start driving back down into these areas. If you don't start getting taps in here first before price starts driving up. If price comes up here and starts spiking out the highs without tapping in this level, then there's a good chance it's going to spike out the highs and then flip bearish and start driving back down again. So you need that tap in here to validate this move to the upside and break of the highs and continue up into here. Otherwise, price is always going to be attracted back to this level, as we've seen over here, right? But yeah. Neil, just show up to the streams every day, bro. Show up to the streams every day, or you can join the academy, you know. But I think you can learn a lot just by showing up to the streams, bro, to be honest. But yeah, W stream, man. Thank you guys, appreciate you. I'm gonna head out. I've been live for about 2 hours and 30 minutes. It's time for me to go to bed. But yeah, man, crazy day, crazy day. YouTube partner, hit 4K on YouTube, hit 13K on TikTok. We did a giveaway. We did some beautiful analysis on gold on you know, xauusd over here, and also then the 2-hour buys over here. And now you're getting that tap, right? Now you're getting that tap, in this level now. So it can even, this 4-hour candle can even come all the way down into here, right? Back into this level to tap, because as you can see right now. So don't get, you know, don't get carried away if this 4-hour candle starts driving down into here and you're like, oh my god, xauusd, right? Because it can always come. This 4-hour candle has only been open for 10 minutes, right? And look what's happened already. We've spiked up, we've spiked back down. So if it starts driving down into these areas, it can also come back down in here for a tap very easily. Because now look, right? You've got this 4-hour candle right here, just breaking through this level, right? Cleaning it beautifully, right? Just smashing straight through this level, right? And now there's no taps now back in this level, right? No taps down in here now. So if it does start driving down here, just know that's fine. It's just coming for taps potentially before it continues bullish, right? We've tapped the first level. Let's see. This could be enough, right? Now you want to see price start breaking these highs here. And then you would see that next target. And then, you know, beyond that, I don't see it going too much further than this level, to be honest. I mean, it can, but I mean, where would that be going then? The weekly would just be flipping back bullish and start and potentially close up in these areas, maybe. I don't know, but look at that. Look at the 1 hour time frame. You also can see on the 1 hour, if you're just looking in right here without all these levels, right? If I get rid of everything, you've got this uptrend right here. Every time I draw on it, it's just gonna. You got this uptrend right here, right? Which was creating high highs, high lows, right? And then this structure in the market got broken. Now it's retesting it, right? But yeah, anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. Great stream today. Appreciate you guys. You know, like I said, look for the breaks of these 4 hour highs here. Next target would be in here. It's not, I mean, it's about 20 to 25 pips max, I would say, up into that next level. But yeah, I think we're going to tap in here next if we break these highs. And then from there, I really don't know. We'll have to see how the daily candle closes, and then we'll go again tomorrow. But that's me done. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll be live again on YouTube and TikTok tomorrow. Yeah, it tapped, Emilio. Tapped. I'll be live again tomorrow. Thank you for all the diamonds. We got another 526 followers on TikTok again today. 24k likes. Yeah, insane. You guys are insane. 64 diamonds. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for you guys on YouTube for helping me get to finally YouTube partner after 3 or 4 years, like I said, of trying. So I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming here and spending this time with me. I really enjoy it. I hope you guys can learn. I hope you guys are enjoying the streams and are learning something. And I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. Thank you very much. I sound like fucking Elvis Presley. Thank you very much. But yeah, I'm out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.